If you have been doing push-ups for a while now and you have not seen any real results, it's probably because you are not targeting all the necessary muscles in your chest to see significant changes. Your chest consists of 4 muscle groups, and using just one variation alone to engage your chest is going to be difficult because the regular push-up emphasizes more on the outer part of the chest and you want a full chest, so you need to target all parts or areas of the chest equally to get that fullness. So I made a routine that includes different pushing variations to perfectly hit every muscle in the chest. For the best and fastest results, you should do this for 2 sets every day.